if your next camping trip could be powered entirely by sunlight? No noise, no fumes, just clean energy on demand. In today's video, we'll explore the top 5 foldable solar panels for camping setup that are compact, powerful, and traveler approved. Welcome to the channel. Links are in the description below. The number 5 product on our list is Ecosonique Technology Solar Panel. Looking for a foldable solar panel that feels made for the wild? The Ecosonique Technology Solar Panel might just be your perfect trail companion. Ranked among the top 5 foldable solar panels for camping setup, it folds down like a laptop yet delivers up to 100 watt of clean energy with 23.5% efficiency. Whether you're deep in the forest or parked by a lake, the 4 kickstands make setup feel effortless and secure. I especially love the smart chip protection. It's the peace of mind you didn't know you needed. With USB-A, USB-C, and DC outputs, it's ready for your phones, tablets, and power stations. It's not for heavy-duty rigs, but for ultralight travel, this panel is a smart and reliable choice we confidently recommend for real outdoor freedom. Number 4 is Mesuvida Solar Panel. What if your camping power setup could fit in your backpack and still charge a MacBook in nearly half the usual time? That's the kind of game changer the Mesuvida Solar Panel brings to the top 5 foldable solar panels for camping setup this year. It's only 8.1 pounds, folds compact, and yet delivers a surprising punch, especially with its 65-watt USB-C port that fuels laptops faster than you'd expect under open sky. With MC4 and DC ports, it pairs seamlessly with almost any power station and even lets you link panels for more output. The 45-degree stand is a small detail that makes a huge impact on energy capture. If you value speed, portability, and real-world utility, this is a smart, stress-free solution we wholeheartedly recommend for mobile adventurers needing dependable solar without the bulk. The third one on our list is BALDR Solar Panel. Can a solar panel be powerful, portable, and plug and play all at once? The BALDR solar panel proves it can, and that's why it earns a well-deserved spot in the top 5 foldable solar panels for camping setup. Designed for real outdoor life, this panel folds neatly, weighs just over 9 pounds, and includes a detachable solar charge controller with both USB-C and USB-A ports for direct, fast charging. Whether you're powering a Jackery or a Bluetti, its 6-in-1 cable ensures wide compatibility without guesswork. With a high 23.5% energy conversion rate and an IP65 rating, it performs reliably even in tough weather. We recommend this to campers, hikers, or van lifers wanting stress-free solar power with modern charging options. It's a smart pick that blends practicality, durability, and efficiency into one foldable companion. On number 2 is MARBERO Solar Panel. What if your solar panel could still power up your essentials even when the skies turn gray? That's exactly where the MARBERO Solar Panel outshines most options in the top 5 foldable solar panels for camping setup. Delivering a dependable 65 to 70 watt output in cloudy weather and peaking at over 100 watt in full sunlight, this panel brings serious peace of mind to your off-grid adventure. Its monocrystalline silicon cells with EFTA coating boost efficiency beyond 23%, while the compact 3-fold design and 6-pound weight make it perfect for mobile setups. Multiple port options, including USB-C, QC3, and DC outputs, ensure seamless charging across a wide range of power stations and devices. For anyone seeking real-world tested durability with IP68 waterproofing and wide compatibility, MARBERO is a smart, travel-ready choice that balances convenience, safety, and performance in one foldable powerhouse. Now, moving to the last one is Renogy Solar Panel. Ever imagine powering your entire campsite with a suitcase-sized solar kit? The Renogy Solar Panel folds that dream into reality, literally. As a standout in the top 5 foldable solar panels for camping setup, this 100-watt solar suitcase delivers incredible portability and power. With a plug-and-play design, 20-amp waterproof charge controller, and alligator clips included, it's a relief for anyone who dreads complex setups. Two grade A+ monocrystalline cells ensure high efficiency, while the built-in smart PWM controller protects your battery with precision. It works perfectly with 12-volt systems, and the rugged canvas case, solid handle, and durable latches add peace of mind for travelers. If you're camping, off-roading, or living off-grid and need reliable compact solar energy, that's tested for real-world use. This panel is worth every dollar. For unbeatable reliability, efficiency, and real-world durability, Renogy Solar Panel stands as the clear winner among all these foldable champions. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 foldable solar panels for camping setup. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.